Hi guys, here is another hard question and is given us two equations right here equal to each other and says c greater than 0 and it has an infinitely many solution. How we solve a question like this on Desmos. Here is how we do it. First of all, the d is the coefficient of x as you see. So when you multiply d to x, it's going to become dx. So we need to see the number that is equal to the coefficient of x to the left side of the equation. So 48 divide 8, which is 6. So we know that d is equal to 6. And that's how we do it. Let me show you. You do the fractional bar first. You go 48, x1 of course, plus 144 over 8 minus c over 15. Then you go tilde d, open parentheses, x1 minus 2, close your parentheses. And as we said before, the d is the coefficient of x, so 48 over 8 is 6. So you go d is equal to 6. Then hit enter, so you get your C over here is 450, and that's your answer. Some people like to put the condition C greater than 0. How we put the condition? We do a set parentheses like this, or a set bracket. We tell them that C is greater than 0. It has no effect over here, but still okay because the C is already above 0 or greater than 0.